Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching Trish Kitchen and I am Trisha. First of all, if you are new in my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Today I am going to share with you all chili honey sausage bites. This is an easy to make sausage appetizer that are loved by all ages. Serve them as a finger food alongside a drink or as a part of buffet. Now let's see the ingredients. Sausages, onion cut into squares, capsicum cut into squares, finely chopped ginger, finely chopped garlic, chili powder, salt, pepper powder, ajinomoto, tomato ketchup and soya sauce, honey 2 tablespoons. Boil the sausages for 5 to 10 minutes. Take out the sausages and let them cool down. As the sausages cool down, cut them into bite-sized pieces. Heat oil in a pan. Add finely chopped ginger and garlic. Fry a little. Add onion squares. Add salt and saute it until it turns light pink in color. Add capsicums and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes more. Capsicums are nicely cooked now. Add tomato ketchup. Soya sauce and mix well. Add sausages. Give a nice mix. Add honey and mix. Add pepper powder, chili powder and mix it well together. Add ajinomoto. Mix well. Our chili honey sausages are ready now. Serve it hot. It's ready to serve now. Enjoy, friends. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.